going on here?
Hello, babe.
Babe.
It's been a long time coming. Eh? I wanted to marry you before. You say after school. I trained you in school. After university, you say you want to do your masters. Eh? I want to marry you again. You say no. It's after when you serve finish. You don't serve finish now. So, what are we still waiting for? Eh? Will you marry me?
Baby, it's not like I don't want to marry you. I really want to marry you.
Okay.
But I just finished my NYC and I just need to figure out my life and just know what next to do. Rest a bit. Do you think we can just, plan it?
What do you want to think about? Yeah? You have all the time in this world to think about everything. What do you mean you want to think about it?
Let's just give it some time. I beg you.
Okay, you want to figure out your life, Abby? Come. They go.
You? Babe, what do you mean by that?
They go. Leave my boat. I'll push you come out for this place.
Baby, baby, please just calm down. Baby, calm down. Just drop me at the...
Now you buy fuel for me. You want to figure out your life. You can swim to go and figure out your life. They go.
People, I cannot swim.
I'll push you come out for this boat. I'll push you come out for this boat.
Baby, calm down. Calm
down for what?
I'll marry you.
What do you mean by marrying you? I don't want to marry you.
Clap for Jesus.
Mr. Notch,
Who are you?
will you take Zenny as your lovely wedded wife?
How did the pastor get here?
No worry, just they play.
Yes, I do. Zenny, will you take Notch as your lovely wedded husband?
My parents are not even here. How do I get married without my parents?
Look at your parents here now. Don't marry me now.
Now you may kiss your bride.
The work is done.
Now that we've gotten married, can we go out now?
Go out? Now honeymoon we dey go straight now. 3 months vacation. Come here.
I wanna get to know you.
Happy married life.
And I wanna dance with you now and after the party. And I like how it feels when we groove now. And you say I want this, yeah. Cause I'm out for the night in the mood now. You know I'll be wild.